Warm welcome to this inaugural session of this awareness program on World No Tobacco Day, being organized by Crescent Public School, Bilalia Educational Institute, District Legal Services Authority, with the active support and cooperation of Nagin Lake Conservation Organization, Kashmir Concern, and Agri Industries of the Caste Chamber.
Today, we unite with a shared purpose to raise awareness about the detrimental impacts of tobacco use, and to foster a healthier, tobacco-free world. We are deeply grateful and honored to have the presence of Honorable Mr. Justice Tajir Afshan, Judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and Executive Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Legal Services Authority. Your wisdom, dedication, and tireless efforts to ensure access to justice for all have greatly contributed to the betterment of society.
That let's pause to acknowledge the profound impact of tobacco on our lives and those we hold dear. Close your eyes for a moment. Everyone, close your eyes for a moment and imagine the heartbreak of losing someone deadly. It could be a family member, a friend, anyone. How does it feel? It feels devastating, right? Even the thought of this makes our whole body shiver. This is exactly what tobacco does to us. This is its harsh impact. When we lose someone to a tobacco-related illness, it's not just a physical loss. It's an emotional and financial burden that affects the entire family.
Today, on World No Tobacco Day, we gather not just to raise awareness about the dangers of tobacco, but to shine a light on a crucial issue, protecting our children from the ugly practices of tobacco industry.
Today, we are reiterating what World Health Organization has done way back in the year 1987, when it created World No Tobacco Day, to draw global attention to the menace of tobacco. We should not forget that use of tobacco is not affecting a person, but it ruins whole family, whole community, whole society. As we know, and we cannot ignore the fact, tobacco use is a major risk factor for many chronic diseases like cancer, lung diseases, cardiovascular diseases, and stroke. लेकिन जो अवेयरनेस हमें चाहिए बिल्कुल नीचे से 5th स्टैंडर्ड ऑनवर्ड्स, ये अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब अभी मैं ऑलरेडी उस दिन भी मैंने आपको कहा था कि कोई हमारा लीगल सर्विसेज के थ्रू कोई भी आपको मदद चाहिए, वी आर रेडी टू कोऑपरेट विद यू. इससे करने का तो कहने का मतलब बच्चे यही है कि मैं सारे यहाँ पे आप स्टूडेंट से मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि प्लीज़ इससे दूर रहिए. आप खुद सेहतमंद बनिए, फैमिली को सेहतमंद बनाइए, सोसाइटी को सेहतमंद बनाइए. तो होता क्या है कि अगर आपके पास अच्छी सेहत हो, एक कहावत है कि हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. क्या कहते हैं, ये सेहत है आपके पास तो सब कुछ है. अगर आपके पास सेहत नहीं है, चाहे आपके पास सोना हो, चांदी हो, सिल्वर हो, वटेवर, पैसे हो, बंगले हो, काम नहीं आता है. आप सेहतमंद रहिए, यही मेरा दुआ है. So I just inform them Legal Services Authority is opening a legal clinic aid center in these institutions. We provide 2 PLBs rotation basis to aware such type of social events. In addition, the legal services will also provide it to all the students, not only to provide awareness In addition, any legal requirement, so we will open the legal correspondence here. Only I request the principal of this school to identify some of the active students, so they be a member of the clinic. And also you have to provide only a small room, raise furniture, everything will arrange, no problem for the areas. Thank you, thank you.
To present as a token of love and admiration to our chief guest, in order to appreciate and support our organizer. Chief guest to present this moment of appreciation to Shakil Ahmed, Chairman. Please come. Kashmir concern has always been a supporting partner.
It's my honor and pleasure to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of the organizers on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, celebrated here at Crescent School. Today's event focuses on the theme Protecting Children from Tobacco industries has been both enlightening and inspiring. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Justice Tashi Ravistan, for gracing this occasion with his presence and sharing his invaluable insight. Your dedication to the cause of justice and public welfare services are a ground of inspiration for all of us. Sir, in my lifetime, I always, whenever I am in some symposium or meeting or anything, I take one decision practical. Today I thought in front of these students, in front of Honorable you, sir, I have a small hotel at Nishad. So I decided today, I pledge that it will be tobacco free. I will not allow anyone to have smoking or any kind of tobacco in my hotel. And besides that, in my home, I will put a sign, tobacco free, no smoking. All students will get up and pledge and make promise with me in front of our Honorable Jai Sahib that we will not allow anybody to smoke in our houses. Stand up and give me the promise. You all promise, raise the hands, You all promise, let us be practical, Thank you very much.
What is active smoking? किसी को पता है तो हाथ उठाओ खाली. Just raise your hands. आप में से किसी को पता है एक्टिव स्मोकिंग क्या होता है? पता है तो हाथ उठाओ. हाँ बेटा बताओ. Very nice. Big round of applause. तो पैसिव स्मोकिंग क्या होती है? कोई बताएगा? पैसिव स्मोकिंग herbs या? Very nice. एक हाथ से हम अपने टीचर को पकड़ेंगे, एक हाथ से अपने पेरेंट को पकड़ेंगे. दो हाथ है ना हमारे पास. तो और किसी चीज को पकड़ने की गुंजाइश है गुंजाइश. कोई भी वो इंसान जो आपको अच्छी चीजें सिखाता है, कोई भी वो इंसान जो आपको उस राह की तरफ ले जाता है जहां आगे रोशनी है, अंधेरा नहीं है, we can call him the teacher.
इस साल जो WHO का थीम भी है वो ये कहता है कि how we can protect our child population from the tobacco industry. सो इस थीम ने मुझे माइल किया कि मैं आपके साथ थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू करूँ इस इशू के बारे में। मैं बहुत खुश हुआ। यूजुअली जब हम इवेंट्स देखते हैं, स्पीकर्स आते हैं, वो मल्टीपल थीम्स के जो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैं अपने लेंसेज को बयान करते हैं, बट सुबह 10 बजे से मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ कि बच्चे खुद अपने आप को मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं कि हम सब्सटेंस अब्यूज हो या स्मोकिंग पे उन्होंने डेटा भी शेयर किया और सारी चीज़ें शेयर की। बट एक चीज़ की मुझे कमी लगी, बिकॉज हम वो चीज़ आपसे तवक्को नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि आपकी एक्सपीरियंस टू द लार्जर एनवायरनमेंट अभी उतनी नहीं है। सो फिर जैसे हम लोग, चाहे मंजूर साहब हो या सेक्रेटरी साहब हो या तौसीफ साहब, इन जैसे स्पीकर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बनती है कि जो आप टेक्स्ट बुक से पढ़ते हैं इस थीम के बारे में, आउटसाइड दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड करें।
Breaking free from tobacco is a courageous act that reshapes your future. With each smoke-free day, you reclaim vitality, resilience, and the promise of a healthier existence.
Smoking may give you pleasure, but it is an order. Smoking is never sophistication and will be glamour.
Did you know that some people believe tobacco has some benefits too?
Benefits? Really, Maria?
Yes.
I've always thought tobacco is more dangerous than anything else.
Advocate said Mustafa on the stage to penetrate and ground it and that she defeated disciplinary services.
Its main objective is to aware the people about its ill effects and its consequences.